911. What's the location of the emergency?
Yes, please send someone to my house. My children are trying to kill me.
What's your address, ma'am?
3061 Forbes Trail, Snellville.
Okay, what do you mean that your children are trying to kill you?
They've attacked me and my husband. They drugged us with Xanax. And they've attacked us, and they're trying to kill us.
Okay, so
my husband has distracted them, and I was just able to get to the phone. Please hurry.
Just stay on the phone with me, okay?
Please.
And you said your husband has restrained them?
He's distracted them so I could get to the phone. Please hurry, please.
Just stay on the phone with me. How old are the children?
They're 22 and 17. Please.
Okay, how did they try and kill you, ma'am?
They're trying to strangle us and shoot us, and they put Xanax in our food, and they thought we were asleep. They tried to attack us. They beat me up. They beat him up. They're trying to kill us. Please.
Okay, children are 17 and 22?
Yes.
Okay.
Please hurry. Please hurry.
Okay. And where are they at now, ma'am?
They're in the house. They're trying to attack my husband. He's made it to the garage and just trying to blow the horn to distract, get our neighbors' attention. And I was able to get up to the phone and call you. But please hurry, please.
All right, ma'am. Now, what's your name?
Yvonne Ervin.
Yvonne Ervin?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Please.
And is he still blowing on the horn?
He's in the garage, just trying to. He was able to get away from him. He's just trying to do what he can to get attention to the house. But please, they strangled me and beat me.
They strangled you and beat you?
Yes. Their names are Chris and Cameron Ervin.
Their name are what?
Chris and Cameron Ervin. 17 and 22 years old.
Okay.
Please want someone out as quick as possible, please.
They're on their way, ma'am, okay? Just down the phone with me. Are you in your room?
Yes, I am, but I don't know if they're going to find me.
What room are you in?
I'm in my top upstairs bedroom.
And the children are still in the garage?
Yes, they're trying to attack my husband. I don't know.
Do you hear what's going on?
They have a shotgun. We have a shotgun and a pistol in the house, and I can't find my pistol, so I'm assuming they've taken it, and they have his shotgun. So I don't know if they're going to plan on shooting him or not, but please hurry.
Okay. And you're unsure what weapons are at this time?
Yes, I'm sure. I just know he's in the garage. When he was able to distract them, I was able to get upstairs to the phone. The other phones, they've just unplugged.
And why did they attack you guys while you were sleeping?
They just said, yes, I'm bleeding. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Say it again, ma'am. I can't hardly hear you.
I said, I don't know why they've done this. I really don't. I guess they assume they want the insurance money. I'm not sure.
Okay. And do you see your husband now, ma'am?
No, I don't. All I know is he's in the garage and he was screaming. He was trying to blow the horn just to get attention to hopefully our neighbors.
Okay.
But please hurry, please.
They're on their way, ma'am. I need you guys. Can you lock your door? Your bedroom door?
But they'll probably be able to get in.
Okay, but make sure you lock the door, okay?
Okay, I will.
And so the children woke you up while you were asleep?
Yes, we
were asleep.
I heard them say that they put Xanax in our drinks. That's why we were so sleepy. We didn't understand why we were so sleepy, but that's why.
How you know it was Xanax?
Because that's what they said after they started attacking us. That's what they said.
Okay.
Please hurry, please.
All right, they're on their way, okay?
Okay.
Would you like me to stay on the phone with you, ma'am?
Sure you can. Let me try and lock my bedroom door.
Yeah, I want you to lock your door, okay?
I just heard them say, where did Mom go? They headed upstairs now.
Hello?
police are on their way. It's on their way.
Hello? Hello? Hello, ma'am? Hello? 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 Hello, Yvonne? Hello? 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 Hello, Miss Yvonne?